front passenger side. Remove this plastic cap. Have some kind of tool like this one with an edge. Put it in on the side and then push it to the left. You will feel, push it in on the right until it stops. Move it to the left and pull it back. You will feel there is an edge. Pull, and you will feel like a click, and it moves maybe 1 millimeter backwards. That's the lock. Now you have unlocked this one. Same, likewise, if you want to lock it, you put it sideways like this, and you just press it in the middle, and it will feel like a click, and it will go into lock again. So we're gonna unlock it first, like that. Then you can use the same tool. Just try not to close the door. You can open this by pulling it outwards. Sometimes you need to do that while holding this. And then you're gonna modify this one. Inside the package you should have received 3 things. This is the part. This is an M2 screw. And this is a 1.5 millimeter drill bit that you will use to make a hole for this one. The next step is to take the part that you removed from your car, and then you insert the part you bought until it is flush with this ridge. If you put it too far, it will not work properly. So put it back. If you put it too far, don't use force. If you can, use something to press it so it becomes aligned with the part. If you put it correctly, it should look like this. Now you can do 2 things. You can do either you can mark the hole here with a pen, or in my case I want to be really thorough, so I use a sharp thing like this, and then I go in and I just poke the middle of where the hole is, so you have a mark exactly where you're gonna make the screw hole. Remove the part again. You can see you have a mark exactly where you need to make the hole. For the next step, take your drill bit, insert it into your drill, preferably an electric one. Like so. Tighten it. Then take this part and you drill a hole exactly where you made the mark. Do it gently and do it carefully. Don't rush it. When it's through, pull it out gently while you are drilling it. If you do it correctly, you will have a nice hole like this. Now you're done with the drill. Reinsert your part like so. Make sure it's flush with the edge like it was before. Make sure the hole is still align up and input your part. Input the screw. With a little bit of force, you need to gently screw in the screw directly downwards. Remember, there are no threads inside, so you are making them as you press the screw inwards. That is why the hole is so small. Don't put too much force, and when you're done it should look like this, perfectly flush. And what you have done now is insert a part so it reconstructs. Let's see if I can get a good picture. It reconstructs this bridge here, which is usually it is the reason why you cannot open your door handle. It's worn down. Now this is aluminium, it's not plastic, so it is very durable and will last a long time. So all you have to do now is take the whole part with this part inserted, and then you go and you install it into your car again. And what you do then is you just pull the handle a little bit towards you and down, place it back into position by moving it forward, and while pressing it forward you can make sure you have it into position by pulling. And when you have it in the correct position, it will feel like you have a like you have a wire or something there, like that. You can see it's being pulled back. You don't see it, but see, it's being pulled back. That means it's in the correct position. And all you need to do then is keep it placed forward, and then you place this back on, and then you lift a little bit while pressing forward, just enough so you can get the lock in place again, and then put it back, and voila. You can just use any other tool, like this one. You see the cap is there. Just press it back into place. It's only a matter of like a couple of millimeters. See? Now that that thing is back in place, this is. So I redid it, and then after I lock it, see, the door handle works as it should.